Okay, so welcome all, and this is your preparation strategy video for your last subject of the syllabus, that is your general awareness, right? So if you see, we are dealing each and every subject in very deep. Okay, for each and every subject I uploaded a video which is updated in your playlist, and now this is the last subject, that is general awareness, how to deal with it. And already you know that in double AI recruitment you should have grip, or you should have proper focus on each and every section, okay, if you want to be in merit list, because that is our ultimate goal finally. So AI syllabus is very vast. Like suppose this is a vast syllabus of AI, and with the addition of general awareness it become like this, so very huge, right? But don't worry about that. I know that general awareness pressure will be always there, but I am here, so don't worry about that. Just now whatever I am telling you, okay, just properly note down each and everything, because you should know that where and what. Okay, just follow the process which is I am mentioning here. So yes, we will see now what is the syllabus of general awareness, what are the books, okay, and all the things we will see. So all for all the posts, basically junior executive, all the posts, general awareness is there. So let's start our video number 9. So just wait. Okay, see now, first in general awareness what you have, okay, you have history subject, okay. Here you have to do history till 10th is fine, okay. So NCERTs, geography, economics, polity, okay. Science, in science also there is biology, there is physics, again physics is there, okay. And in the physics strategy video I already gave this physics syllabus in that, okay. So I combine your technical physics syllabus and this physics syllabus, okay. So don't worry about that. So here we will not consider physics, okay, just we'll consider bio and your chemistry. Now let's is your current affairs, which is your daily current affair, whatever is happening today, okay, and last 12 months current affair, which is very important for you. And last is your GK, general knowledge, that is static GK, okay, famous books, famous places, like that, all the things. So like that, very vast syllabus is there for general awareness, okay. This is your syllabus, and the thing is that only 10 marks. So basically for only 10 marks you have to do, okay. So general awareness, one of those section in your exam which will be your turning point, okay. Because in this, if you can score good marks, okay, fair marks, then your chances become very high, okay. Because see, if you work in a smart manner, then only you can cover the syllabus, right? It is not like you took the books and you are reading like that, because lots of things are there, okay. So that's why it is very important. Now in the AI recruitment, what will be your level? So it will be your moderate only, okay. So level will be moderate for GK or general awareness, okay. And now the expected attempt, see, basically now we don't know that what they will ask, okay. I'm just trying from my side that I can give you best, okay, so that at least we can touch to the questions, okay, at least half or more than half, 80% at least. So in the expected attempt I will say general awareness, score maximum as you can, because there is no such thing, okay, because it is not fixed syllabus. So score maximum as you can, okay. It may be your 5, more greater than 5, obviously 5, 6, 7, because something will be there definitely. And I know that the what are the thing important, okay, that have your 70% weightage. So don't worry about that, I will share this in our upcoming videos also. Now the thing is that where should you read this, okay. Obviously you can't put this into option, that is for sure, you have to read. So now just understood this, okay. So those who want to read books and who like to read books, just follow Lucent book is there, okay. Lucent for general awareness or GK. So just follow this book, okay, you will get everything. Now those students who don't want to read this book, okay, and I also want, don't read any kind of thing for general awareness. Why? Because our main target is physics, maths, quant, and reasoning, obviously English, okay. So I want you guys to prepare or to focus maximum on these things, because this is very important, okay, as we discuss in each of the strategy videos for the respective subject. So that's why what you will do now for this section I will tell you now. See, first our website, very important for you, okay. So from our website you will daily read current affairs. Now let's go to our website. Wait. Okay, so basically when you click on the link, which is I am giving in description. So you will be reach here, okay, and you will click on this current affairs section, as you can see here. Now see here, this is our current affairs section of our website. Okay, what you have to do, obviously you have to read daily current affair from here. As you can see, 9 December is there. Okay, so just click on that 9 December, and especially you can read in Hindi also. If some of you are preparing for Hindi exam, then if you click on this Hindi, then you will get, see, in Hindi only. Okay, so like this, see. Now I will switch to English. Okay, so now what is the speciality of this is that section wise, okay, the current affairs are divided by sections. So section wise you will get every information. For example, what are the national current affairs? Okay, these are the national important current affairs. Then what are the obituary, what are the appointments, important dates. Okay, this is the fixed question. One question is fixed, I am telling from here now. Awards, recognition, this is also fixed question. Okay, then your banking and your this is your banking, like that. Okay, so all the things are here well organized. What is your first work? Just note it down. You have to read daily current affairs from our website. Okay, second thing, now last 12-month current affair you have to read. Okay, so I will tell you, just click here, select date. Okay, just see here, select date. Now you will get 2020, so just click on this 2020 arrow in front of 2020, like this. Okay, now you have December, November, like that, all the months are popped up. So see, till from June. Okay, from June you will start now your current affairs. So June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, till your exam date. Okay, till your exam date. Now how you will write? So parallelly, what you have to do, it will hardly take 5 to 10 minutes to read this current affair, daily current affair. Okay, so 5 to 10 minutes, you don't need to refer any kind of big book or big video that will cost you 1.5 hour or 1 hour big. Don't need for this just go through this, it is enough. Okay, and obviously in our test series also I will put the questions which are very important for you, so don't worry about that. Just whatever I am saying, just listen carefully if you are very serious for the improvement. Okay, so now daily you will read, that is current month or current day previously. Now come to June month, suppose now you will start from June na. So you will click on 1st June. Okay, so like this you will parallelly read the previous also. Okay, so current plus previous parallelly. Okay, now it may up to you that how much time you will take. Okay, but just try to just speed up the things. Okay, so this is the plan for daily current affairs. Now let's back to our video. Okay, now daily cards. So what are these cards? Basically, if you are in our Telegram group, okay, you may see that I'll upload daily English for synonym antonyms card, and one or two cards for your current affair last 12 months. Okay, so basically in this I only keep those current affairs in the past which are very important for you. Okay, and there are maximum chances that TCS will ask you. Okay, because we have to beat the TCS, so that's why I know that, because past 7 to 8 years I am just analyzing the way of how TCS frame the questions. Okay, exam by exam. So that's why I have little idea that yes, this question can you expect in your exam. So that's why those questions you will get on this card. So daily collect that card, or you can write in your book. Okay, I will suggest you to make separate book for general awareness and write in that. Okay, and the third and last and most important thing is your Nikum Sir Concept Corner, our new channel. Okay, our second channel. On that we already started our general awareness classes for every exam. Okay, basically it is for TCS, IBPS, though exam conducting agency. Okay, it is not for a particular exam, it is for exam conducting agencies. So completely or blindly you have to follow that general awareness video. Okay, and obviously I also post the link in our Telegram group and WhatsApp group also. Okay, so you are aware of, and you have your playlist. Okay, whether it is English or Hindi, both the playlists are available. So in that playlist also I added that video, so you will get the message like updated today, like that. Okay, if you check the playlist daily. So this only if you want to save your time, okay, efforts, and you have to put this effort and this time to other section which is crucial for you, then just do this for current affair, daily current affair website, or your last 12 also daily cards. Okay, just collect those or write, and Nikum Sir Concept Corner, our GK and GA video, just follow that from here. Also I will start uploading the maths and reasoning also master classes for TCS and IBPS. Okay, so basically complete package for non-tech is here at this. Okay, So this is our plan for general awareness, and I hope that you like that, and I hope that your tension is now little bit lower as compared to earlier stage. So yes, this is for general awareness. Now if you have any query, then you can ask me. There is no issue in that. And just who don't till now don't those who didn't join our telegram group, just join. Okay, link is in description, compulsory. And now we completed all the subject individually. Okay, about the classes, about the notes, about the platform, all the things. Okay, just now 2 to 3 days wait is there. I will announce soon for you guys. Okay, so don't worry about that, because once we will start till exam day. Okay, there is no break in that, there is no like that. So just be prepare yourself, and obviously you started the ncrt book which I upload in the group also. So just start reading that. Okay, because you will get the basic idea and your mindset will be developed like, yes, I have to prepare like this, like this. Okay, so till now just start that, and when we will start our course or your mentorship program basically for AI recruitment, then you will get all the things in detail. Okay, so have any query? Okay, if you are new to the channel, then just follow channel, and if you want any career related guidance, or if you are confused with anything, then just you can DM me on Instagram. Okay, so with this I will see you in the next video of AI, which will be our, now I will upload the expected exam date and overall strategy, daily routine, all these things we will there. Okay, so one by one we will see. And yes, till now just share your views and like the video compulsory, and we will meet soon. Okay, all the best.